Hi everyone. Good evening. My name is Jaya and I'm the country manager for Cyprus College, Canada. I would like to thank Mr. Gurvinder and the entire team of Universal Consultant for inviting me to speak to the student who may be interested in admission with Cyprus College today. This session we will be covering a bit about Cyprus College, who we are, our province, the city where we are located in, the programs, the eligibility criteria, the tuition fee, part-time job availability, the assistance that we provide for the students' jobs and assurance, COVID-19 update and the admission process. Talking about Cyprus College is an approved PLI which is 0242536283107. Cyprus College is situated in the province Alberta and the city is Medicine Hat. Talking about Alberta, Alberta is considered as the fourth largest province after Quebec, Ontario, British Columbia. The southeast side of Alberta is Medicine Hat. About Medicine Hat, I should say it's a tourist place with millions of tourists every year, with a population of about 40,000 people, which opens up more and more opportunity for the international students. Cyprus College is a business career school and we are designed for training the untrained Canadians and to place them into different industries. We largely have practical curriculum in our program which makes Cyprus more interesting and way unique than others. Our institute is running since 2001. Big and successful 20 years is what we have created as of now. We got a DLI number in 2015 and we have been helping our international students build their career since the year 2015. Our usual classroom strength is not more than 15 students and 80% of Canadians and 20% of international students. What is our classroom strength is. We have recently started recruiting from various parts of the world like Mexico, Thailand, Singapore and Philippines. And we have been serving southern Alberta with a labor force skilled manpower since 2001. We have been training the management staff of hotels in southern Alberta since an exceptionally long time. People know us for quality related training skills that we deliver to our students, which makes them super ready for job positions available in Medicine Hat region. Coming to the programs that we have in offer for the international student, the first program that I would like to discuss about is a business management program, which is a diploma program for 2 years. Our business management program is an accelerated 2 years diploma program which focus on the business management and its vital connection to the client and employee relation as well as the most effective marketing, management and administrative techniques. This is a program which is a 2 year program which also makes you a job ready person in Canada. A very unique program that we will be discussing about today is a hospitality program. The name of the program is 2 years Culinary Arts and Hotel and Restaurant Management program. This is a very different program that Cyprus College is offering, and anybody who is wanting to make their career and their living with hotel industry, I would want them to listen to this program very carefully. This is going to benefit them a lot. So this program is specially designed for students who want to quick start their career with working in hotel industry. The first year of this program is Culinary Arts Certificate. The student learn how to prepare, cook, season and present a wide variety of food in a commercial setting. Our student learn how to complete dishes, meals, determine food costing and tackle the real world challenge of communication and time management in this exciting field of work and study. As I said, we are a blend of work and study which makes us remarkably very interesting. So the program depth is the student are supposed to cover up some 630 hours in a year which we make them finish in like 7 to 8 months only. This helps the student finish the program early which gives them the leverage of work more and earn more. After the student have finished their first year, which is a maximum of 7 to 8 months, they have the study break of 4 to 5 months, during which we start placing the student in different hotel properties in Medicine Hat. Therefore, we assure placement to every eligible student who we have completed their program with 90% attendance and proper program completion. This is a very important factor that Cyprus College is doing to the student, which is assuring placement to every eligible student. Once a student is placed, they can work full time and the employer starts their process for the LMIA work permit, which is also known as Labor Market Impact Assessment Work Permit. This is a very technical term. Students and people who are watching me, I would want you to get in touch with your consultant, with Universal Consultant, to know more about how LMIA works, because this is something which an immigration counselor can help you understand more. This is something which makes you which brings you very closer to the PR process. So once the student is placed, we start the process for the LMIA work permit, and the LMIA work permit is processed by the RCIC registered lawyers who are experts who have been working with this LMIA application process since a very long time. So just so you know, Cyprus College is going to assist the student till the end. Once a student have a positive LMIA, after first year itself, they can choose the PR pathway and can always finish the rest of the program after they are a PR in Canada, which will save them a lot of time, which will save them a lot of money. The student can also choose to go for post-study work permit pathway through our articulation program with Cinnamon Community College in Manitoba. For let's say somebody who is not interested for LMIA, which may not be the reason, the student can always choose the post-study work permit pathway. Quite a minute ahead, I am going to explain you how LMIA work permit is going to be behaving much more beneficial to the student than post-study work permit. So I must emphasize this a little bit. The student should always try and choose the LMIA pathway, as it brings them very close to the ultimate goal, which is the PR. LMIA work permit is closed work permit, wherein you have a real job offer and a real employer. So in Canada, in order to process your PR, the student should have a real job offer matching their skills. So if the student have done the program into hospitality, it is very important that the student should have a job offer matching their education, matching their skills. So with LMIA work permit, the student have a job offer, the student have a real employer. Post-study work permit gives you a will to stay there, work there. It's an open work permit wherein the student have to hustle around for their own job offer. They have to look for their own employer matching their skills, which is not an easy task in Canada anyways. So coming up to the overall thing, what exactly our hospitality program is offering to the student, it is very simple that we have three different things to say. That it's a very small program. The duration of the program is very small. It saves you a lot of time. You get a visa for 2 years, but right after 6 to 7 months of your initial stay, you can process your work permit, you can process your PR immediately. Now coming to the eligibility criteria, who can apply for this program? So anybody who is wanting to make their career in hospitality can apply for this program. Post-secondary students may apply who have 50% or above of score. Math is not a subject which is mandatory. We can give a waiver on the maths as a subject. Of course, any graduate also who have passion and zeal to work in hotels can apply. Talking about the IELTS requirement, we need overall 6 bands with not less than 5.5 in any module. We can also accept 5.5 in 2 modules, but it is really little dicey in terms of getting demo visa. So that's what the requirement is. So in crux, I would say that anybody who is wanting to make their career with hospitality, working in hotel industry, can apply for this program, and Cyprus College is looking forward to having you on board. Coming to the tuition fees, so our total program cost is 16,250 CAD, which includes tuition fee and material cost like laptops, book, lab supplies, culinary tools, and uniform. So in 16,250, there is no hidden cost that you would be paying while you are in the campus. Everything is involved in 16,250. Talking about part-time jobs, availability and assistance, how does Cyprus College help you getting a part-time job? So we as a Cyprus College body, we have always tried to place our students into hospitality. We have always tried to place a student into the skills which is matching your education. So we help the student with the part-time jobs also. We also help the student with the full-time jobs. As I said, that the good part about Cyprus is that we give you an employer and we give you a job offer right after first year, which is 6 to 7 months. So yes, Cyprus College also helps you with the job opportunities while you are studying in Canada. We will be helping you with the part-time jobs also. So that's a good thing for the student. I think once the student is leaving the country, there is there are a lot of things going on in their brain that who's going to help them with the part-time jobs. Of course, Cyprus College is going to help them with the part-time jobs too. Talking about the city that Medicine Hat is, Medicine Hat has a lot of jobs. Medicine Hat is a tourist place and they have plethora of jobs in the city. If we talk about hospitality, because it's a tourist place, we have millions of tourists coming every year, but the local population of the place is only 40,000 people, and it brings up more and more opportunity for the international students to take up that position. In that case, the students should behave a little clever in not choosing a province which is actually very saturated. They should look for a province and the city which is readily accepting international students, and Medicine Hat have hundreds and thousands of hospitality jobs, and we have a connection with the lawyers in Canada wherein we will right away place the student right after 7 to 8 months. So that's the kind of benefit that we are giving to the student for a hospitality program. So this is a very unique advantage that is coming to all the hospitality students. If you choose to study in Canada in hospitality sector, think about Cyprus College, think about how it is going to change your life in some 7 to 8 months. You save a lot of money. You go there for 2 years, but you're only studying there for 7 to 8 months. The second year is again optional. Once you have an LMI, a work permit in your hand, you can choose not to go for the second year. That makes the program very, very unique. So, of course, what we want from the student is we want the student to complete the second year, but you can always complete the second year, and we also have the third year with us. You can always complete that once you are a PR in Canada, in which you will save a lot of money. So that's what we want. Talking about COVID-19 update with Cyprus College. So I'm very glad to say that we are in the approved DLI list with COVID-19 readiness plan. We had few students who flew for December session and have started their classes physically, and they were all well quarantined. In fact, they are still in the quarantine homestay with all the preventive measures being taken for them, and they are very really happy. So there is no problem that they are facing. We are entirely planned and things are very smooth. How about the admission process, which is going to take place with Cyprus College? It is very simple. So for admissions, people, please contact Universal Consultant and we will process your application. We also assure you that your offer letter would be coming to you within 24 or 48 hours. That's something which is very unique with Cyprus College. Offer letter between 24 and 48 hours is what we are giving to you. How about the intakes that we are doing? We have intakes in March, we have intakes in May, July, September, November and January. That's again a very super special thing about Cyprus College, that we have intakes every alternate month. You don't need to wait for September or May. You can apply for March, which is between now and May. So it's good. So I have some questions coming on in the live session. I would love to answer them. The question is Cyprus College approved for COVID-19 readiness plan? Okay, so Gurinder, yes, as I said before that we are in the approved DLI list with COVID-19 readiness plan already. It's been like more than 2 months we've been approved. We had few students who flew for December and they were well quarantined. Things were very nice, very smooth, and they had no problem. They had already started their classes because in our package we are handing over them the laptop in their quarantine room, and they have started their classes and they're good to go. So guys, in short and in crux, I would say that if you are wanting to make your career, if you're wanting to make a better living in Canada, if you're choosing to have a PR in Canada, go for an easy situation, go for an easy solution. So easy solution is some program which is small, some program which gives you a pathway to LMIA work permit. The good part about our LMIA work permit is that we don't pay anything to the employer because those are real jobs. And in Canada, if you're getting a real job, depending upon your skills, that is something which is going to be benefiting you to a very, very good extent towards your career. And if you follow this pathway of Cyprus College, the culinary pathway, the LMIA pathway, we assure you that you can have a PR in less than 3 years. So that's what all our students are getting, and that's what the benefit the students are taking. So we are wanting new students, we are inviting young applicants to join our program. We are very open for March intake, and we would love to have you on board, guys. If you have any question, please get in touch with Mr. Gurinder Singh from Universal Consultant. He has complete program knowledge, he has complete college training. So please get in touch with him and ask him your questions. And we would love to have you on board and help turn you all into successful hoteliers. We have one more question coming. I would like to confirm that once again. Also confirm for any assistance accommodation provided by Cyprus College. So in terms of accommodation, if you talk about the COVID-19 situation, yes, if a student, for let's say, if a student got a visa and they are flying for January intake or March intake, and COVID situation remains the same. So before the student travels, we make sure that accommodation is all set. We make sure that the student room is all set for their welcoming. There is no problem. There were few students who flew for December intake. They had no problem in the immigration. They had no problem staying there. They are still living in the quarantine homestay. So it's all settled. So if we talk about the cost of the hotel, where the students are staying, it is around $800 to $900 as of now, because we say that Medicine Hat accommodation is not that expensive. But as of now, because of COVID thing, we have been giving them food in the room. We have been giving all the services to the student in the room itself. So it is little bit expensive. But if you look at the normal accommodation, which is the normal time, general time without COVID, it should cost the student around $500 to $600 a month, which is, I think, very, very affordable for the student as compared to any other province. So guys, Medicine Hat is a very affordable city. Along with that, one thing that I would like to add for the students who are very keen to know that whether they can work or not. So of course, everywhere in Canada, you can work 20 hours a week along with your studies. And the wage rate which is going at this point of time in Alberta and Medicine Hat is $15 per hour, which is, I think, when a student is initially starting their work, $15 per hour is not a bad deal. So that's what the student can benefit. And do we have any other question? Guys, please type on your questions on the comment section, and I would love to answer them if you have any. So if you don't have any question as of now, guys, please get in touch with Mr. Gurinder Singh. He will help you with the complete details. We are open for March intake, and we have a lot of jobs in Medicine Hat and hospitality sector. And the good thing is that Cyprus College is going to be assisting you with the job placement. That's a very, very unique factor that we're giving to the student. So don't miss your chance. Enroll with Cyprus College and upgrade your life. Thank you so much, guys, for watching me today. And if you have any question, please get back to the Universal Consultant, and they will help you further making your applications. Thank you so much for watching me. Thank you.